Alright, so that's the John Pro building right here on Braemar Avenue. And John Pro stands for Jamaica Promotions Corporation, Trade and Investment. So we're on Braemar Avenue. Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you're new, subscribing is completely free. Join the family. And you know I'm Rush, the Discover Boss. And it's another city drive. We're on Braemar Avenue. We'll be just driving around a little bit, just exploring the community. It's right in New Kingston, a part of the Golden Triangle, you know, that uptown, upscale, you know, very expensive community, which is a mixture of commercial and residential properties. I wanted to do a drone video as well to give you guys an update on Via at Braemar apartment construction and the Cambridge, but it's raining, so you know you cannot send up the drone if it's raining. So we'll be doing that video soon. Stay tuned for it. But for today, we'll just be driving through the community and just be taking some glimpses around the place. So we have the Hampshire here, right on Collingbank Road. So this is a recent apartment as well, finished in like the last 2 years. It's right also close to the Via at Braemar, which is currently under construction. It's taunted as one of the very luxurious middle class apartment. Some persons are saying it's more upper class in terms of the prices. So that's Via at Braemar. And then this is also Argyle Road on the right. So this area, this community is full of a lot of apartment complexes with a few mixes of commercial properties. Braemar Avenue. So this is Via at Braemar, and as I said, guys, this is just a driving video. Another day I'll come back and try do that drone video just to show some more details of the constructions in this community. So we have Via at Braemar, and we have the Cambridge. So those are two active constructions right now. So they're going. So that's Via at Braemar. Alright, so they have, you know, safety nets around it, so you know you can't see a lot of the design. That's just to prevent, you know, any hazards, anything falling down, stuff like that. Alright, so let's continue on the drive. So again, we're in New Kingston. We're on Braemar Avenue. It seems as if this development was financed by the Victoria Mutual Building Society. Alright, so I'm gonna turn here and then go down Upper Musgrave Avenue. So this is a dead-end apartment around this side. So far they're up 9 floors. Alright, so as I mentioned, mainly apartments in this area of New Kingston. And we are on Upper Musgrave Avenue. And Upper Musgrave Mews is on the left, which is 8 Upper Musgrave Avenue. There's another apartment in front of us. Not very new, but still relatively new. Upland Manor. front of us is the Cambridge. They seem to be testing out some color on it. That color is close to the Hampshire color. So that's Cambridge in front of us. Still under construction. Has been under construction for a while. Alright, so that's the Cambridge. And again, this is just a driving video. Another day I'll come back and do a more detailed video, including some drone shots. And then to the left, there's another apartment as well. So that started after the Cambridge, and they seem to be going quite fine. And then we know the AC hotel is just around the corner, so all this area is getting developed. Even the land in front of us, number 7, it's a big, very, very big piece of land with just one home on it. So I'm sure eventually this is gonna get converted, because this space is bigger than even, you know, where at Braemar is. But let me turn into this lot that I'm speaking, because the gate is open, so you guys can see. So that's AC hotel just around the corner there. Just over there is the AC hotel right there. So you guys have an idea where we are. Then let me turn into right here. So this is a very big piece of land. I hope you guys can see the space, how far it goes to that wall way down there. So it's right next to the Cambridge, and it's just a single residential lot. So whoever owns this is sitting on a gold mine. You know, it was purchased years and years ago, you can see. It's a very big piece of land. Number 7. But I'm sure some development is coming for it. Nothing less than an apartment complex. So we'll take the left and go down Musgrave Avenue, where we'll get closer to the Cambridge. So again, the Hampshire on the right, we'll just past it, and then we have Cambridge on the left coming right up. So that's the Cambridge over there. Alright, so it's just a driving video, so just highlighting this community. And again, I'll definitely revisit to get some drone shots, but rain is due, and we can't fly with the rain. Alright, so guys, just let me know what you think so far. I know both the Cambridge and VI is going a bit slow in terms of the pace of the construction. I think Cambridge is going very slow, because they have started a good while ago. But as usual, just highlighting and just showing, you know, what's going on in the area to you guys. So remember to like, remember to comment, remember to share, and remember to subscribe. So I catch you guys on another driving video.